Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the Diode Dynamics interior lighting kit on this Tacoma right here. It's a much needed upgrade for the Tacoma. These come stock with these very not bright bulbs, and this diode kit changes everything. Let's go grab those out of inventory and get started with the install. Alright, that should be everything we need. Okay, so this install is going to be super simple. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, and basically you just pry off the plastic housings, take the bulbs out, and replace them. So we'll go ahead and start here with the vanity lights. I like to start right up underneath here, just to pop out that bottom one, and like see it slides straight out. The other side, pop it out, and it should come straight out. So once you get those covers off, you're just going to want to pop both the bulbs out. Pull it straight out, super easy. Once you pop your old bulbs out, you'll replace them with your new ones. You just want to slide them in just where the other ones were. Make sure that these little yellow LEDs are facing outward, just like that. So once you pop these in, you pop it open, test to make sure they both work. Okay, you can see the one's on, the other one's not. This just means that this one's upside down. You just want to flip it. And just like that, both of them work. Okay, so now you just want to replace the plastic pieces and repeat the process on the driver's side of the car. Okay, so once you repeat the process on that, we'll do these overhead lights next. Okay, this one's really simple as well. You'll just take your screwdriver and you just put it in back here behind the plastic, and you just kind of want to gently pry it out so you can get this plastic piece to come out, just like that. Okay, so next you'll want to take out each of the bulbs up here. So you just want to pull these lights out with your finger. If you are having problems with it, you can put a little bit of tape on this light and just kind of wrap it in. It'll help you get some more grip to get that out. So after you get that light, you'll take your new light and you just place it right back into the housing. And go straight up in there. Always be sure to test it. That one comes out like that, and then you just take your new replacement. So to do the dome light back here in the back, there's two spots right here by the switch that you'll be able to slide your screwdriver right into. Put them right up in there. Pop one side out, put it right there. Pop the other side out, and then the whole thing just slides out like that. So next, take your pry tool, and there's a little tab right up here to the left. You just push that tab back, and then your bulb will pop right out. Okay, so then you'll take your replacement light, and it just slides right back into the same spot, just like this. Okay, then next you'll go ahead and replace the cover. Just like that, we got new interior lighting. The install was really easy, only took us about 20-25 minutes, and overall it makes a huge difference on the inside of the truck. Thanks for watching.